After sitting unused for 16 years, the newly renovated greenhouse at Southfield Lathrop High School recently reopened. Southfield Public School officials, city and community leaders gathered at Southfield Lathrop High School to christen its newly renovated greenhouse.
We're real excited about the greenhouse opening. After 16 years of being in disrepair, we finally have it repaired, ready to go. It's now a part of our curriculum. It's going to be a huge part of the Lathrop Village community. So this is the first step in what we're doing. We also have our Charger Gardens that's just been opened, and the Charger Gardens is exterior of the building that we deal with throughout the summertime. And again, a lot of volunteers, a lot of students helping us with that.
The greenhouse was out of operation because it needed windows replaced, repairs to the heating system, and cleaning. The reopening was made possible through a $40,000 donation by Belfour Restoration President Sheldon Yellen.
The reason that it was an honor for us to do this and important to us is because, as I've said for years, nobody has gotten more out of the Southfield Public School System than me. And I'm grateful to all of my teachers, the administration, because it's what allowed me to be where I am today. And I still stay in touch with my teachers on a regular basis. And when Joyce and Dr. Cook Robinson asked me to step up, there was just nothing to think about. You just do what's right, and it's an honor. And as I just said, this is not the end of a project, it's the beginning of a new relationship.
Southfield Lathrop staff hopes the greenhouse creates awareness among its students.
There's only one planet, and when you know about something, you start to care about it. And so by educating students, they can become, number one, concerned about issues in their environment, but also able to make decisions. Now, they might not all make the same decisions, but to give them problem-solving skills as well as the education and informational background to make voting decisions when they're 18 or household decisions at any point in their life. It benefits them directly and indirectly, and like I said, there's only one planet.
The project illustrates the benefit of alumni and volunteer involvement.
When students have a chance to do community service that's actually connected to learning, the true service learning, they retain longer, they're engaged more, and they become better citizens overall.
The reopening afforded Yellen a deep sense of fulfillment through his community giving.
When I was growing up, I didn't have all of the amenities that some others did, and I recognized the importance of others stepping up and allowing me certain benefits that I would not have had on my own. And as we've been blessed and lucky today to have a successful business, it's just important for us to give back to the communities that have nourished us along the way. And we're just hoping we can do just a little bit to make somebody's life a little bit better.
For more information about the Southfield Lathrop High School Greenhouse, visit southfield.k12.mi.us.